Police in St. Mary are investigating the parish's first murder for the year following the discovery of a man's body in Highgate. The man's body was found in the vicinity of the Highgate post office. According to the police, they discovered the body lying on its back with what appeared to be a wound to the upper part of the head. The incident is believed to have been occurred between 9:15 p.m. on Friday, January 23 and 3:15 p.m. on Saturday, January 24. The man was last seen alive at his home in the Highgate area on Friday. Investigations are ongoing. Now, anyone with information is being encouraged to contact the police or Crime Stop at 311. The killing marks St. Mary's first murder for 2026. The parish recorded 23 murders in 2025.